Looking for an AI study assistant. Claude AI can help students understand difficult concepts, summarize textbooks, solve practice problems, organize notes, and improve writing while making learning more efficient. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Claude AI for students in 2026. So let's get started. First, sign in to your Claude AI account and open a new chat. Starting with a fresh conversation helps you keep each subject or assignment organized. You can also create separate projects for different classes if that feature is available. Next, type your question or describe the topic you need help with. Claude can explain concepts, define terms, solve examples, and break down complicated ideas into simpler language. Asking clear and specific questions usually gives you better explanations. If you have lecture notes, PDFs, research papers, worksheets, or textbooks, upload them to Claude. You can ask for summaries, key points, study guides, or explanations based on the uploaded materials. Using your own course materials makes the responses more relevant to what you're studying. Ask Claude to generate practice questions, quizzes, flashcards, or sample exam problems. You can also request step-by-step explanations for answers you don't understand. Take a moment to solve the questions yourself before checking Claude's explanation. Use Claude to brainstorm ideas, improve grammar, organize essays, or review your writing. Make sure the final work reflects your own understanding and follows your school's academic integrity policies. Claude works best as a learning assistant rather than a replacement for your own work. Keep using Claude to review lessons, prepare for exams, organize study schedules, and explore new subjects whenever you need extra support. So you've successfully learned how to use Claude AI for students, and that's how to use Claude AI for students. Whether you're studying for exams, completing assignments, researching topics, or learning new skills, Claude can help you stay organized and understand information more efficiently. The more thoughtfully you use Claude as a study partner, the more valuable it can become throughout your learning journey. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.